Hello everyone, my name is Anita. My topic that I would like to share with everyone is punctuation with conjunctions, conjunctive adverbs, THAMOS. So the first, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that join phrases or parts of sentences together. So the main purpose of using conjunction is to connect two thoughts that you have that you want to show to your reader. So that your readers understand the flow of thought. Examples of conjunction words are and, or, but, so, therefore. Some example sentences are I like to sleep early, but I have homework to complete. I love to eat and sleep. Specifically, conjunctive adverbs are used. These are words that connect two complete thoughts. And THAMOS is an acronym that stands for some common conjunctive adverbs. Therefore, however, also, meanwhile, and otherwise. So that way we remember, if you remember THAMOS, that's how I started remembering, and then you will remember these common conjunctive adverbs. So example of using THAMOS like therefore is Jill kept talking in class. Therefore, she was reprimanded. I completed my homework. However, I don't feel good about the quality of my work. Other examples of conjunctive adverbs are also, as a result, besides, consequently, finally, in addition, thus, of course, in fact. So you kind of get the idea as to, if with the help of THAMOS, you know what conjunctive adverbs are. So specifically we're going to focus in this unit is about the punctuation rules that are used for conjunctive adverbs. So there are two main things that you have to remember. If the conjunctive adverb is used between two complete thoughts, then I will use a semicolon before the conjunctive adverb and a comma after it. For example, I really like to dance, that's a complete thought. I put a semicolon, and then, however, I put a comma, I'm not in a mood to dance now. So that's one section. This is easy because you have two complete thoughts. In this case, I really like to dance, and then I'm not in a mood to dance now. So you're connecting these two thoughts with the conjunctive adverb, however, and it's very easy. You just put a semicolon before it and a comma after it. So the trickiest part of this is if the conjunctive adverb interrupts a single thought. That's the second part. So you still want to connect two thoughts, but there's something else that's interrupting. So for example, Anita really likes to dance. That's a complete thought. I put a semicolon. She, comma, however, comma, is not in a mood to dance now. In this case, the word she kind of interrupts my second thought that I'm trying to connect with my first complete thought. So in that case, the conjunctive adverb, however, is both followed and preceded by a comma because of the interruption. So you put a comma before and after the conjunctive adverb. And another example of this is Anita really likes to dance. So you put, that's a complete thought done. She's not in a mood to dance now, so you're not completing it, it's interrupted, and you put a comma before it, however, period. So that is the most difficult part of punctuating. It's just that you should just understand if it is interrupting a thought, you put a comma before and after, or if it ends, you put a comma before it. Other examples, I'm just giving again the same thing, punctuating THAMOS in between two complete thoughts. This is very easy. Complete thought, the sentence structure is complete thought, semicolon, conjunctive adverb, comma, complete thought. For example, we went to school, semicolon, however, comma, it was closed for fall break. You need to complete your test, semicolon, otherwise, comma, you will not get good scores. Sadie is a smart girl, semicolon, before, comma, it is not surprising to see her get good grades. So this is the second type where the punctuating THAMOS when a single thought is interrupted. So the sentence structure would look something like complete thought, period, or semicolon, whatever it is, it's done. And then there is an interrupted thought where the conjunctive adverb kind of comes in between the next second thought, which is interrupted thought. For example, Sadie knows her directions to the museum, done, complete thought, she, comma, however, missed a turn. And then another example is after working in the construction site, comma, Andrew was very hungry, period. So that's done. He washed his hands before eating, comma, however. So this is a trick in using punctuations for conjunctive adverbs, and some of the references I used are from in Ginger Grammar Rules in English, hillfen.de, No Red Ink, and Chomp Chomp. I hope I was able to convey about punctuating conjunctive adverbs. Thank you for your time. Have a good week.